That engine just fired for the first time 30 seconds ago. Every part on this bike hangs from one frame, and if the frame is wrong, nothing else matters. Behind this finished bike is a floor where metal, rubber, and wire become a motorcycle in under a day. The frame starts as straight steel tubes, aligned, cut to length before anything is shaped. Bending machines shape each tube to the exact geometry the bike needs. Robots weld every joint, each bead following the same path every time. After welding, the frame is measured causes, steering angle, pivot points, and engine mounts all checked. A frame out of spec does not move forward. There is no fixing a crooked spine. Before paint, the bare steel is cleaned and chemically treated for corrosion protection. Electrocoating reaches every surface, even the insides that paint spray cannot. The final color goes on in a sealed booth, one coat that defines how the bike looks.
Baked hard, this layer protects the steel underneath for years.
After curing, the frame is ready to receive everything that makes it a motorcycle. The engine is built on its own line, starting with machined aluminum crankcases.
The crankshaft drops in, every bearing seated, every bolt torqued to spec.
The piston slides into the bore. If it is too tight, the engine seizes. Too loose, it loses compression. The head goes on with valves and camshaft already set, clearances checked before the first bolt is torqued. Gears, clutch, and shift mechanism are assembled inside the same crankcase. Covers sealed. Oil filled. The engine is now a complete unit, ready to meet its frame. Every engine is tested before it leaves this line. Compression, timing, and output all verified. The frame enters the main line, and from here, it becomes a bike in stations. The engine is the heaviest single part and TOS, bolted into the frame as the first major install. The swing arm goes in next. Its pivot has to be tight but free.
The front fork slides through the steering head, the connection between rider input and front wheel.
The wiring harness follows the frame, connecting every light, sensor, and switch.
The tank sits on rubber mounts, so engine vibration does not crack the paint.
The exhaust bolts to the engine and runs underneath, heat shields keeping everything around it safe.
Chain and sprockets connect engine power to the rear wheel.
The rear shock goes in, a take, preload set to factory spec before the bike ever touches a road. Wheels arrive with tires mounted, inflated, and balanced on their own line.
The front wheel slots into the fork, axle torqued, brake disc already in place.
The rear wheel goes in. Chain tension and alignment checked before the axle is locked.
Brake calipers, lines, and fluid, all installed and bled before the bike moves. Throttle, clutch, and brake, ambulance, every control checked for travel and return. Lights and mirrors go on last, and everyone is tested before the bike moves forward.
Every fluid is filled to a measured level: coolant, oil, and brake fluid.
Battery-connected mechas and the bike's electronics come alive for the first time.
The ECU is checked throughout, fuel maps, timing, and emission settings confirmed.
First start. The engine fires and settles into idle.
Throttle response, idle stability, and exhaust sound, all evaluated in seconds.
Engine output and transmission function are tested on a rolling dyno.
Braking force is measured, front and rear checked independently.
Exhaust emissions are tested. The bike has to meet the standard before it ships.
Headlight aim is checked and corrected benches because a misaligned beam blinds oncoming traffic.
The final test is human, intent, a rider who listens, feels, and decides if the bike is right.
The last check is visual, because the buyer's first impression happens at the showroom.
Protective film and padding go on. The bike has to survive the truck before it reaches the dealer.
In the yard, every bike is a finished product waiting for its route. Loaded, strapped, and sealed, NG, the factory has done its job.
At the dealer, nobody sees the line that built it. They only feel the throttle and hear the engine. Termismut. Steel tubes bent, welded, and painted. An engine assembled from castings and precision parts. Wheels, brakes. What surprised you most? Tell us in the comments. Next on Process Pulse Factory, another machine built with hidden precision.
Process Pulse Factory. Subscribe for the next build.